Spinoza, the man who replaced God with nature. What if I told you that God doesn't sit on a throne above the clouds, but flows through every leaf, every storm, every breath you take? Baruch Spinoza dared to say that in the 1600s, and it nearly got him erased from history. This is the story of the man who redefined God, challenged religion, and laid the foundation for modern thought. Spinoza was born in 1632 in Amsterdam, to a Sephardic Jewish family that had fled persecution in Portugal. But even in tolerant Amsterdam, Spinoza's ideas were too dangerous. At just 23, he was excommunicated, banned from the synagogue, cursed, and cut off from his community. Why? Because he asked forbidden questions, like, what if the Bible isn't divine? What if God isn't a person at all? To Spinoza, God wasn't a king in the sky. God was nature itself. He wrote, God is the infinite substance of the universe. Everything is in God, and nothing can exist outside of God. He called this idea Deus sive natura, God or nature. There are no miracles, no divine interventions, just a universe unfolding by necessity. And we, like the stars and the trees, are part of that same divine substance. Spinoza believed freedom comes from understanding, not from worship or fear. Our emotions, our thoughts, they're not sins or mysteries. They're part of nature too. Understand them, and you become free. To Spinoza, reason was sacred, not to destroy religion, but to rise above superstition. That's why thinkers like Einstein, Nietzsche, and Carl Jung admired him. Einstein even said, "I believe in Spinoza's God, who reveals himself in the harmony of all that exists." Spinoza died poor, working as a lens grinder, but his ideas outlived him. He quietly shaped modern science, philosophy, even democracy. Today, his vision of a unified natural universe feels more powerful than ever. Maybe we don't need to look up to find God. Maybe we just need to look around. The more you understand yourself and the universe, the more you understand God. Spinoza,